it's highlighting it as an anomaly. So it's a fair thing to reject this particular receipt. It does not belong here. So I'm going to reject this one. And now let's go back to the workflow. So now in a typical real scenario, you won't have to actually come back to this particular screen to hit resume. But for the demo purposes, I set up the demo in a way so that I'm running everything from the studio and I can show you step by step. So I'm going to hit on resume here. In real life scenario, you won't have to hit resume. The robot would come and automatically pick up the task. So far what we've seen is how AI Fabric Document Understanding and Action Center come together to process receipts and detect if there are any anomalies or not. Now, the next thing that is going to happen is that we are going to use computer vision to open up Internet Explorer and navigate to Concur to submit the receipts for expense purposes. So the computer vision will be used to navigate to Concur, open it, and then the bot is going to sign me in using my credentials and open Concur to submit the receipts. With computer vision, as Marco was mentioning earlier, the benefit is that robot visually identifies all the on-screen elements, and it's not relying on any kind of hidden properties. Very, very powerful and state-of-the-art deep learning algorithms are used here. So now you can see that we are logging onto Concur. Once Concur opens, it's going to hit on the expense tab. It's going to create a new expense report for me. And I'm not doing anything. This is all done by the robot. I cannot, even if I wanted, I cannot type that fast. Now the robot is going to hit on new expense. It's going to input all the information that it has extracted from using the receipts machine learning model. Is going to input all that information here for expense purposes. Additionally, you can see that one thing that robot is doing is that it's also going to the folder where we downloaded all the receipts, and it's also attaching all the receipts along with the expense submission, and which is a pretty typical expense submission scenario. Now it's going to, so it did the second receipt. Now it's going for the third receipt, and it's going to do the same thing. It's going to input all the values that have been extracted using the receipts machine learning model. It's going to attach the receipts. Now this part is all done using computer vision. And here you go. So now you see that we have actually been able to input information from all these three receipts that we downloaded from the emails. Now you can go to all these submissions. You can see, you can even hover over these tiny guys and see which is the image that has been uploaded and so on. Now you can see that we have created a full expense report here. Essentially, what you see in this demo is the power of UiPath RPA plus AI platform. We saw how we can use RPA and augment that with different AI product capabilities, such as document understanding, AI fabric, computer vision, and UiPath Action Center to solve real life scenarios. And that is the real beauty and the real power of RPA plus AI. It can really help you take you to your highest level of RPA automation potential. So with that, I will conclude the demo part of the webinar. And now I guess we'll be moving on to the Q&A. So I'll stop sharing my screen.
All right.